Hello, now I'm going to show how to make tomato dal using automatic mode in AMC India. Let's get started. To cook tomato dal, I'm using 20 centimeters low. I'm adding 1 cup of tur dal. For 1 cup of dal, I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm adding 1 large tomato, green chilies, turmeric, chili powder, salt to taste. Now I'm going to close it with 20 centimeters epic lid. I'm switching on the Navigeno and keeping it in the automatic mode. You can see a symbol here. I'm setting the audio term in turbo window for 1 minute. Audio term is connected with mobile app. Cooking time is completed. Now it switches to 60 degrees function as it is in automatic mode. I'll show you. See, it has switched to 60 degrees. This function will keep the food warm for a longer period. Now I am switching off the audio term. Let's place our unit in an inverted lid until it depressurizes by itself. I am switching off the Navigeno. It is depressurized completely. Now I am opening the lid. Dal is cooked very nicely, it has become soft. Now let's make tadka for this. To make tadka, I am using 16 centimeters low. I am switching off the Navigeno to level 6. I am setting the audio term to roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I am switching off the audio term. Switch off the Navigeno. I am placing our unit in an inverted lid. Into this, I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil, jeera and mustard seeds, red chilies, garlic cloves, curry leaves, I'm adding a bit of ghee. Now let's transfer this into dal. Lastly, top it with some coriander. Tomato dal is ready.